XG ladies, you ready? Hey, hi, how you do? Gonna tell 'em, baby, how we do. XG, Q and S, but we don't never let you mess up twice. Have you ever